On the SMIS homepage, you can create an account, log in if you already have one, or enter as a guest, which we will explain at the end of this tutorial. Creating an account is easy. First, enter the company name and zip code, so the system can keep your company-level information together. Indicating if you're from a construction company is important because the safety climate benchmark scores are based on construction data only. Next, enter the name and email address of the administrator or administrators who will be using the SMIS for your company. None of your company's information will ever be shared or sold. Lastly, create a user ID and password. When you log in with your ID and password, you'll be taken to the menu page where you can access all the SMIS features. Click on the Learn More about the SCAT-SC or SCAT buttons to go to the Safety Climate Assessment Options page. Here you can read about the 2 surveys, download and save copies of them, and schedule a safety climate assessment for your company. Scheduling an assessment is an easy 2-step process. First, select the month, day, and year you want employees to start the survey. In Step 2, the company name and date are entered automatically. You'll then enter the name of the group or groups that will be asked to take the survey, the total number of potential participants in each group, and hit Submit. Each SMIS administrator will receive group-specific emails that contain a unique URL employees in that group must click on to take the assessment. After the assessment or assessments have been launched, features on the results page let you see in real time the number of employees in each group who have responded to the assessment, as well as generate and print individual, comparison, or combined group reports, and retrieve archived reports. The Resource Repository page provides access to a wide variety of safety management policies, procedures, guidelines, and templates in English and Spanish that safety professionals at construction companies across the U.S. currently use for continuous safety management improvement. Click an indicator button to view a list of all the resources designed to strengthen that particular indicator. You can preview, download, and save each resource, and then click the Develop an Action Plan link to help you start putting the resource into action. The 2 fields at the top of the planning page are pre-populated with the name of the indicator and resource you selected. Enter 1 or more goals you hope to achieve by using the resource, up to 5 action steps needed to achieve the goal, the lead person and date to start the action step, and finally, the information you'll collect to know the goal has been achieved. Click the Create button to access the Action Plan status page, where the first tab displays a list of all of the action plans that are pending, are in progress, and the second shows all that have been completed. Finally, the SMIS includes a feature to schedule reminders to conduct future safety climate assessments and access additional safety management resources to help you continually monitor and improve your company's job site safety climate. Earlier, we mentioned that individuals who aren't ready to create an account can enter as a guest. Guests are taken directly to a guest menu page where they can view the tutorial videos, learn about the safety climate assessment options, as well as access and download safety management resources. On each page, guests will have the opportunity to create an account and gain access to all of the SMIS features presented in this video.